Welcome to pjlister.com. Today I will show you how to add a new product or existing product, edit existing product in pjlister.com. This is very easy and simple method that you can add a new product in pjlister, and you can edit a existing product in pjlister.com. There are two type of product in our store. Number one product is a simple product. Number two product is variable product. So or a simple product. Simple product is very simple issue. They have only added image, product description, price, etc. So now I am going to show you to live project to how to add a new product in PGL store. Open a browser and take a new tab and input our store URL in browser pjlstore.com. Okay, our store is appeared in browser. Now click login button. I am input username and password. Now I am logging to shop manager module. So after the logging, you will appear a dashboard window, like there will be dashboard window. So you go to the click here in dashboard window. Okay, here are few menu is available. So I will describe one by one menu, different type of tutorial. Now I'll show you only add a new product in our store. So go to in products menu, all products menu. So here are appear 543 already published product that I already published in our store. So you need to add a new product. So click add new button. Okay, now add new button is appear. There are few options: add new product, editor menu, UX builder menu. So my recommendation, no need to click UX builder menu. The UX builder menu need to later, that I will give you a tutorial how to use UX builder menu, how you use UX builder menu. So currently you can only use editor menu, uh, and this option is and here are description menu. Here is a description menu. Here is product description, product short description menu. Here is the product data, inventory, shipping, link, product attribute, advanced section. Every option is have individual tags. So the first terms I told you, today I'll discuss only simple product. So I am going to discussion about simple product. So the default is drop down menu showing few product category: product, simple product, group product, external affiliate product, variable product. So for the simple product, you just select a simple product menu, and here is the regular price, sale price. So our no need to sales price. We only add a regular price, and then have add a wholesale price and wholesale minimum order quantity, how much quantity I will apply. That's a wholesale customer want to purchase our each category. Wholesale order quantity step, no need to this step. Also no need to this step. Product quantity based wholesale pricing. I'll make another tutorial for this menu options. So currently no need to enable this option. So now I input a new name like test product. Okay, I added price in $10, like this $10. So I told you the required skill is Photoshop. Every image should be edited by Photoshop. Now I'm going to open a Photoshop. The Photoshop is loading in our page. Wait a few moments. Okay, now Photoshop menus appear in our window. Now yeah, I just added test product in our store, so I drag and drop a product. Like this is a product image, and you need to set a image size, image resolution. Every image resolution you must set a 150. The resolution should be 150. You must set a, this is the most mandatory issue, you must set a resolution 150. Now I have added a resolution 150, that's it, and just save it. Control S. I think I know you know about Photoshop. That's a I did not describe about Photoshop. So open a browser. Now I am going to add a product image. Upload kitchenware. This product is name is kitchenware. Okay, kitchenware. The product is uploading. The product image is uploading in our store. Okay, set product images. Now product gallery. I am going to add a product gallery. Okay. Now I have set a wholesale price $5, minimum order quantity 50. Okay, like this is the product description. I am copy and paste here. Okay, that's it. This is the tutorial is only for simple product added, and you need to add a category like I am add a category, test category, test category, add a new category. Okay, now the test category is added in our product category menu, and product category menu is added test category. Now click the publish button. Okay, congratulations, your product has been added in store. So now the price is shown is detail price, because our store is default price is detailed price. Now you have added a wholesale price. How to check a wholesale price? Now you want to log in for checking purpose, going to log for wholesale price. Okay, now logging a wholesale menu, wholesale. Okay, now go to wholesale ordering page. Okay, the wholesale order menu page has added a lot of product, so I need to check this our few time ago product that I added. Now this is the test category product. The product is shown. Now look at that. The test product, retail product is blocked and wholesale price is enabled. So add to cart. Now click the add to cart button and check the product is added. View cart. The cart is added. So this is the issue and how to edit a new product, and I hope you understand. to add a new product in store. mm, the next video will come with variable product, how to add a variable product in our store. So I think you understand how to add a simple product in a store, and the next video tutorial will be coming a variable product, how to add a new variable product in a store. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you so very much.